Did you know that you can use the F4 key on your keyboard to repeat the last action you performed? This is especially useful when you've been doing something a bit fiddly, like working with indents. I'll just show you. A couple of my paragraphs are out of line, so I'm going to click on the first paragraph and use the indent marker to move the left indent back towards the margin. Instead of having to do that on the other paragraphs, I'm just going to click on the dodgy paragraph and press F4. Again, F4. Superb! So whenever you're doing something like formatting, why not try out the F4 key? It can't repeat every action, but it's a great key to experiment with. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.